Good evening, everyone. I just want to give you my video message from my hometown, Tokyo. And this is about 11 o'clock in the night. And I'm walking back to my home. And, well, it's already past 5 days after the earthquake happened, and during the days that we had so many things happen, and now we are struggling how to solve the problem over nuclear power plant in Fukushima. Well, also the scheduled blackout already held, so the way back my home is just like this. The lights are so scattered and the way is so dark, and I think I cannot recommend this to walk. I recommend this for ladies to walk this way. Well, those people in Japan, they are slowly back into their normal life, but water shortage, power supply shortage, and gasoline, food, almost everything is facing the shortage. So we still have a very difficult time. And also today we have, I think that's 2 or 3 times earthquake happened, and every time it shakes, the ladies in the office kind of scared and screaming up, because that's 5 days, that the memory of 5 days ago is being like a trauma for everybody. I am also very scared about this. I think I am not so kind of chicken shit about those things and disasters, anything, but just so scared, and I don't want any other people in this world experience that very scary thing to be happened. Well, I think the people in the world, they are in peaceful and safety. Good night.